Fine HVAC combines design and calculations in a fully integrated environment, performing all the required calculations for any HVAC installation directly from the drawings, generating all the study results, such as technical reports, bill of materials and updated drawings. Thanks to advanced and intuitive BIM technology, it is just required to be drawn a few single lines, and the software will do the rest. This software platform can deal with a wide range of heating and cooling MEP projects, such as single or two-pipe systems, fan coils, air ducts and INFLOOR heating system. Several new features are introduced, such as high-quality fast rendering, real-time sizing of the heating-cooling units, clash detection, sophisticated automatic generation of 3D air ducts, and INFLOOR heating networks. Let's watch a quick overview of this software in a simple project. An air duct network can be drawn in one dimension so that it can be identified and transferred to the calculation sheet automatically. The first step is to define the grill's position manually or automatically. After that, we determine the supply and return pipes with single lines and connect them with the receptors. The above procedure should be followed separately for the supply and return network. Since the network has been drawn, the network recognition command informs the user for potential problem in the network. The application integrates a variety of calculation methods with just one click. After the calculation part is completed, Update Drawing function can update drawings according to calculations parameters. Therefore, small labels are placed near to the grills and the air ducts. Moreover, we can select Convert Single Line to 3D, and the program automatically converts the network into 3D in relation to the calculation results. Clash detection command enables the identification, inspection and reporting of interferences in the MEP project model with beams and columns. User can define the airflow rates of a ventilation system directly on the drawing. In this way, air ducts can be sized easily, taking into account either heating and cooling requirements or the ventilation rates. Finally, the vertical diagram is created automatically, executing the corresponding command. The basic drawing principles apply in fan coil systems as well. Highlight for new version is that radiators and fan coils can be resized automatically into real size, according to heating or cooling loads and manufacturer's data from libraries. On the same way, we can draw easily two-pipe system. In two-pipe system, you can design only the supply network. As soon as you proceed to the calculations, the program will automatically double the length, so as to calculate the return network as well. An in-floor heating system can be generated automatically, taking into consideration the heated surface of each area. In this way, the user should define some basic parameters such as the circuit area with a polyline, the type of in-floor heating system, bifilar or meandering, and distance from sides,